Are you currently having problems with not being able to log in into your DeepSeek AI app and you want to be able to fix it? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix this issue. So actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before, and this is exactly how I fixed it. I firstly closed my DeepSeek app and instead I went into my settings app on my phone. And now what I did on my settings app is that I scrolled down and then I clicked where it says general. So I clicked on general, and as you can see, it took me to this page right here. So in here, I just scrolled down again and I clicked on storage, as you can see. Then I clicked on the blue button in the top right corner. So like it's like a blue search button, as you can see. So click on this one. Now search for DeepSeek in here and click on the app. Now I clicked on upload app in here, and once again I clicked on upload app. Then I waited a couple of seconds and I clicked on the blue button where it says reinstall app in here. So basically you need to now wait for your DeepSeek app to completely load, and when it's done we can now go back into the app in here, and now you can try to log back in into your account. So basically this actually fixed it for me, because I think that when they sometimes release a new update, we need to actually automatically update our app, which you did, by the way, by following this guide step by step. Just what you did before, it's actually to force the app to auto update. So try to go back into the app and try again, and hopefully now it's fixed for you as well.